Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the new chapters Bills of Exchange. Today I will tell you definitions, features, parties involved and the specimens of the Bill of Exchange. Now you may see here the definition as per the Indian Negotiable Instrument Act. This act is defining the Bill of Exchange is an instrument in writing. Instrument means evidence proof in writing. An unconditional order, unconditional word is referring you without any conditions, signed by the maker, the person, those who are writing the bill. Directing as a certain person means to direct to the certain persons to pay the amount to him or as per his instructions. So this means this is the bill of exchange is an instrument, unconditional order signed by maker and pay the orders to the specific person to pay the certain amounts to as per his instruction. Now, features of the bill of exchange are the bill must be addressed to a one specific person to whom the payment is done, and second is the bill must also contain the order to pay the money. It is not a request, and the amount shown in the bill must be sure and definite and clear and specific. The date of writing of the bill must be specific in the bill and should be stamped. A bill must be in written. Oral order cannot be accepted like a bill, and the time period of the bill should be specified there. So these are the features. Now I am moving to the parties involved. There are three parties involved. Number one is the drawer of the bill. Next is the drawee of the bill, means acceptor of the bill. And then third is the payee of the bill. The parties to the bill of exchange, drawer. Drawer means the person who writes the bill, who draws the money from the account of the specific person. Second is drawee, means who accepts the bill. Third is payee, the person who receives the money. Now this is the one specimen has been given. That means the word is given. The name of accepted word is means the person who is accepting the bill, that is Prem Kishore. And the address is also listed. The person who is signed word is there. That means the person drawer of the bill who is writing the bill, Karuna Sagar. Karuna Sagar is writing the bill, so the place of New Delhi is related with the Karuna Sagar. Date is also mentioned. The bill is for the 3 months. When it is for the 3 months, so from 1st July to the 3 months, you make add August, September, October. Then the 3 months will be added. That means 4th October will be the due dates. Amount is also listed here 5 lakh. So this is the specimen of the bill of exchange. Now next is you may see the details of the bill of exchange consist with the date, periods, amount, revenue stamp and the signatures. All 5 datas are listed here: place, time period, stamp, the persons who is signing the bill, the person who is accepting the bill and the amount. I think this is the clear aspect of your specimens of the bill of exchange. Thank you.